Hello, ma'am. This is Carolyn. I'm a parent of Mel Gibson, who is studying 6th standard A section in your school. So, I'm traveling with this Sri Natation Vidyasala for almost 7 years. I'm really impressed with the school for various reasons. Few to call out: the way you respect the other religious beliefs, and you work as per the caption like Jnanam, Seve, Bhakti. You always trying to meet the same everywhere, and especially during this pandemic, your school is working very hard to deliver as much as you can, and especially to take care of the children as well. And I've been closely watching this online class for the last year, and I was really impressed that you have never compromised the education along with the other curricular activities like drawing or PT or other competitions, to call out speech or tongue twister. So many things were there. Those are all the extra items that you are doing, which other schools are not at all doing it. I am not at all hearing it from my friends or relatives, anyone. And I really wanted to thank for all the efforts that you are doing. And last year, the class teacher, 5th A, Amudavalli Miss, I was interacting with her many times, and she was providing all the information at the right time, and right information is being provided by her. All the teachers, not only Amudavalli Miss, all the teachers who are working in Sri Natation for the past 7 years, I have seen they have been showing their love and care to the children. It is really appreciable. And finally, I want to call out Sujata ma'am, vice principal of Sri Natation. She is the one who introduced the school to us, and we have been interacting many times, and I was hearing the updates from her as well. And as I was really impressed, and your school is doing a great job in all the activities that you are taking up. And I want to share all this information even before, but I couldn't make it. I am doing it today finally. So thank you all, teachers, staffs, vice principal and principal ma'am, for all the efforts that you are doing. It's really appreciable, and I really pray to God that to give you all a very good health and happiness forever. Okay, thank you.